Let's solve few problems based on distance formula. Look at the first one. This is the first type of question, okay? Find the distance between the points. So here, let's start with the first one. Very, very simple. Remember the distance formula. This is the first thing. Now the distance formula, just to recap what you had, the distance formula is d is equal to root of the change in the value of x whole square, change in the value of y whole square, change in the value of z whole square. Correct? This is basically the distance formula. So here, AB distance, this becomes square root of, you can write this 3 minus 5 whole square minus 2 whole square 1 minus 3 whole square. Correct? This is going to become root of minus 2 whole square, which is nothing but 4, plus minus 2 is minus 4. Square of that is going to become 16. Again, minus 2 whole square, which is 4. So this becomes square root of 24. Now, square root of 24, you can keep it as it is, or you can also write this as AB is equal to 2 root 6 units. 2 root 6 units. So this is the answer for the first question. Now, I want you guys to solve the second and third one on your own. Go ahead, pause and do it. Later on, you guys can verify whatever answer you've got is correct or not. I hope you have done it. Let's do the second one now. See, for the second one, again, PQ. This is going to be square root of 7 minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus 1 whole square, 0 plus 2 whole square. This will be root of 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 square 25 plus 4 plus 4. So this is going to become 25 plus 4 is 29, 29 plus 4 is 33, root of 33. Now 33 can be split as 3 and 11, none of which is a prime number. None of which is a square number. Both are prime numbers. So square root of 33, this itself is going to be the answer. Square root of 33 units. Quite simple. Now let's do the next one, the third one. See, a point on x-axis and a point on yz plane. So here, a point on x-axis, any point, let's call that point as P. Some point P, which is on the x-axis. The coordinates is going to become x, 0, 0, correct? And some point Q, which is on the YZ plane. See, any point on the YZ plane, the x coordinate is going to become 0, correct? So 0, y, z. Now we are looking at the distance between P and Q. So PQ will be root of x minus 0 whole square, 0 minus y whole square, plus 0 minus z whole square. Root of x square plus y square plus z square. So PQ is going to be so many units. That's all. This is the answer. Very, very simple. Don't you think this is it is the same as the distance from the origin to the point x, y, z? Because we have a point 1 on the axis and 1 in a plane which is perpendicular to this. It's going to be the same distance. Clear? Now I want you guys to visualize this. Try to visualize how it might be. Fine? Now we are going to do the next type of problems now. See the fourth one. Find the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from these 2 points, correct? So now what we'll do? So let's say, let P be equal to x, y, z and A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 3 comma 2 comma minus 1. All right. Now, what is the condition given? Condition is PA is equal to PB, correct? These two distances are one and the same. Now, when we say PA is equal to PB, PA is going to be root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. Minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. Correct? Now, squaring on both the sides. If you square on both the sides, the square root and square root gets cancelled. Isn't it? So, what do we have? Just x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square. Correct? So, let's expand this one. Just normal expansion, nothing else. Now, you are going to have x square minus 2x plus 1. First part plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus z square minus 6z plus 9, correct, is equal to, on the right hand side, again just expand, nothing more, nothing else. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus z square plus 2z plus 1. See the terms which is going to cancel. See this entire thing cancels out. Whole thing. X square, z square, 1 and 1, 9 and 9. Isn't it? See all the parts which are going to cancel. Now let's write down the remaining things. Remaining what you have, minus 2x minus 6z is equal to minus 6x plus 2z. Correct? So let's write it down. On the LHS, we have minus 2x minus 6z is equal to minus 6x plus 2z. Take the x and z on one side. So you're going to have, you can take the minus 6x this side and 6z on this side. Okay. So you're going to have 6x minus 2x is equal to 6z plus 2z. Sorry. So you have 4x is equal to 8z, or you have x is equal to 2z, right? The equation what you can write is x minus 2z is equal to 0. This is the equation, because what they're asking in the question is the equation of the set of points. So equation is x minus 2z is equal to 0. This is the equation. Clear? So this is the answer for the fourth question. Now we'll do the fifth one. See the fifth one? Find the equation of the set of points P, the sum of whose distances from A and B is equal to 10. Alright, now what we have, let's break down the question. So first what we have P to A, we are calculating PA, first point. Then from P to B, we are doing PB. Now the question says the sum of whose distances, that means PA plus PB, is equal to how much? 10. This is equal to 10. Now we will get an equation. So that is what they're asking. Find the equation. Fine. So PA plus PB is equal to 10. To calculate this one, again do the normal, the distance formula. Now you're going to have root of P, P, let it be x comma y comma z, a general term. So PA is going to become x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 is y itself. So y square z square plus root of x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square is equal to 10. Correct? Now, you can't just square on both the sides. Generally that is not going to work. That's why what we do, take any one of the terms of the LHS to RHS. Fine? In the sense, you can keep root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square on the LHS. 10 minus root of x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Now we can square on both the sides. That's much more easier to do. Clear? So when you square on both the sides, x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square is equal to 100, because see here, this is of the form a minus b whole square. Correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab. That's why we have to do it this way. Clear? So a square plus, when you do b square, that's x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square minus 2 into 10, which is 20, into root of x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Fine. Now, what cancels out here? Y square z square, y square z square. Correct? Now, we'll expand on both LHS and RHS. On the LHS, we have x minus 4 whole square, which is going to give us x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 100 plus x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 20 into root of this whole square plus y square plus z square. Now here again, x square, 16, 16 cancels out, isn't it? Clear with this? Now what we do? Now take the, apart from the root, whatever terms you have, take it to the other side. Clear? That means, now you have minus 8x, take the other 8x to the LHS. We are going to have minus 16x minus 100 is equal to minus 20 into root of this plus y square plus z square. Now you can divide the entire thing by negative 4. That means if you divide by negative 4, this is going to become 4, this is going to become plus 25, this is going to become 5. Correct? So the equation becomes 4x plus 25 is equal to 5 into root of x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Now square on both the sides. So what we are doing now? Do whole square. Now if you square 16x square plus 625 plus 100 into 2 is 200. 200x is equal to 25 into x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. This is what you have now. So we need to expand and simplify it. You are going to get in terms of x square, y square, z square. Clear? Now what you have here? 16x square plus 200x plus 625 is equal to 25 into x square plus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus z square. Correct? We need to multiply. LHS keep it as it is. RHS we multiply. 16x square plus 200x plus 625 is equal to 25x square plus 25y square plus 25z square. Correct? Now, along with this, we also have, so what we did x plus 4 whole square, right? So, plus you have 25 into 8, 200x, plus we have 25 into 16, plus 400. Now here, again if you look at it, 200x cancels out, correct? Now take everything to the RHS. So you are going to have 25 minus 16 is 9. So 9x square plus 25y square plus 25z square minus 225 is equal to 0. So this is going to be the answer for the fifth one. Fine. So this is the equation of the set of points P, all of the points P. And this is how it's going to be. Fine. So in the next video, we are going to discuss about section formula.